Are you effing kidding me? Today's video is extra special, okay? Because about 30-40 minutes ago, I had a mini meltdown, and I'm gonna explain why. And it's all relevant. It comes full circle to the Jeffree Star boxes and giveaway and all that stuff, so just bear with me for a second, okay? Today, for the third video today, okay? You need to thumbs up this video just because I've done 3 freaking videos today. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you stick around and maybe even watch a couple more. And if you're a returning viewer, clicker, subscriber, OG, thank you a little bit extra. Today, for the third video today, okay? You need to thumbs up this video just because I've done 3 freaking videos today. Okay? Thank you. Now that we've done that, we are getting into 2 more variations of the Jeffree Star mystery boxes. We are still waiting on spoilers for the deluxe, but I figured with 2 variations it definitely warranted just like a quick video and we can talk about it more. I don't know from this point on if I'll keep up with variation videos because at this point I think we all just really want to know the deluxe, and I'm hoping that soon I get my own boxes at least shipped to me. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. Also, today's video is extra special, okay? Because about 30-40 minutes ago, I had a mini meltdown, and I'm gonna explain why. And it's all relevant. It comes full circle to the Jeffree Star boxes and giveaway and all that stuff, so just bear with me for a second, okay? So I was in the shower washing my hair, and for anyone who doesn't know, I just turned 25 2 days ago. Not old, but you're like, wow, quarter of a century old, you're so close to 30 now, like, ooh, you're a real kind of adult, you know? It's kind of like, should I be so childish still? Anyway, I was showering, wash my scalp, and I hope the light is going to catch it. Old school. Hold on, let's get something like black to put against. Hold on. Oh, you can definitely see it. You see? It's like not even gray, it's white and it's long. Hold on, it's like curled up. Oh my god. I'm gonna turn this into a positive and funny moment. Okay, this is where it comes full circle. I need to save this. Hold on, I'm putting it in a plastic bag and I'm keeping it forever. So hold on, I need to put it in a safe place, okay? So, as we all know, if you don't by now, I did order the premium and the deluxe boxes. So I will be doing an unboxing and giveaway like I always do when I get the Jeffree Star mystery boxes. But now we're gonna do a fun little twist to it. What I've decided is, because of this crazy moment in my life, whoever has the funniest name for my gray hair, it can be something as simple as Peter, it can be something really relevant to me and my channel. If you know me well, I wanna have fun with this. Whoever I find gives me the funniest name down in the comments of this video. I'm only gonna look for it here. I will link this video in my further videos so that you can still enter. We'll get first pick of whatever I put in my giveaway. So to explain quickly and further, there will be 2 giveaway winners. The first person is going to be who I find has the funniest name for my gray hair. And they will get first pick of whatever I curate for the giveaway. Then the second winner will get everything else in that giveaway after I pick the first person and what they want. You can enter in both. You can enter as many times as you want, but you can leave as many comments as you want for names down below. It'll all be considered an entry, and then I will do my full giveaway rules for the rest of the giveaway essentially in my unboxing and giveaway video, which I always do. So I feel like that's fun. I'm trying to make this into a funny moment because I don't have a meltdown. I want to make this funny and even more memorable. So plus I feel like that's a really fun way to give 2 people the chance to win, you know what I mean? And I think it's super cool that the person who I think has the funniest name gets like first pick of what they want. So if I get the cremated palette and that goes in the giveaway, you can get the cremated palette. If you want this an exclusive item that I decide to put in there, you can get the exclusive item. So what do we think? I hope you guys think that's fun. I think it's fun. But now that we've got that little tangent over with, I quickly will of course link all my other videos above that we've done in the past few days about all of this, but let's get into the 2 new variations freaking finally. Okay, let me scoot over so I can put pictures in here. All right, so the first variation is going to be for the premium box. We have the green straws, which we've seen before, the green metal straws, a wet peach lip gloss, a Rose Master, I think what it is, liquid lipstick, like a really pretty rose liquid lipstick. Of course, the beanie, because the beanie is the exclusive item in the premiums. We've already discovered that. And the Thirsty palette. Are you effing kidding me? Are you effing kidding me? The Thirsty palette, that's what I want. I want this box so much. My only critique is that we did just get Wet Peach in the Halloween mystery boxes. I got it in my last mystery box. Not the end of the world. It's a beautiful gloss shade, so I'm not mad at it, but someone who always buys these boxes may have wanted to see a little bit more of a variety. However, we are still seeing, if you've seen my other videos, lots of variations with the lips. So it's not like every single box has Wet Peach again, if that makes sense. But I am so incredibly happy that we're going to be getting the Thirsty palette, or possibly, I really hope I do. And it's a nice switch up from the other palette that we've been seeing in most of these boxes. Not that I dislike that palette, but I think this is way more exciting. And I'm really amped for this. I really hope I get this variation. What would be perfect is this exact variation, but with purple straws instead of green, because we did also see that. The purple straws just look really nice. I also already have the green ones, which, whatever. But, you know, I think the purple ones are just prettier. All right, now, the next one is for the Supreme. So again, we don't have any for the Deluxe, but we do have some new spoilers for the Supreme. So, I'll put the picture up here. We have the hoodie, the same hoodie. It looks like it's folded up in this picture, but it looks the same. The baby blue with the pink logo, and I'm sure it has the writing on the sleeves. The red lip vault, again, which, like I said, I think is really nice. This one, I honestly, though, I wonder if it's a little bit different, because I feel like the other one didn't have that bright orange and bright pink in there, so maybe it's just another, like, nude and red kind of set. But either way, a lip vault, which is amazing. Then we have the pink ornament, which we've already seen. One of my subscribers messaged me on Instagram and said that they saw a green ornament with the Blood Money palette on JEFFREE's Instagram. So she's a little sleuth. I like her. And so I wonder if that'll be another variation of like colors for the ornaments, which is the other exclusive item, obviously. Then we have it looks like a gold. I don't think it's tan. I think it's like a gold star mirror, which I love. The mirrors are just amazing. And then we also have the cremated palette. So we are seeing variations with the Supreme as well. The cremated palette and the black and pink marble makeup bag. I adore his makeup bags and his mirrors. I think it's so great. And the cremated palette was really good. I got rid of mine, but not because I didn't like it. I just knew I wasn't gonna get the use out of it that I should have, and it was going to a really good home. And I know she loves it. Zoe, if you're watching this, I got you, girl. So I don't have that anymore, but that would still be exciting to get. Honestly, maybe I'll keep it this time. We'll see. And then it's hard to tell exactly the shades of the next couple of items. So we do have the translucent powder. So he did put his powder in there, which I think is really cool. I am actually kind of bummed that I'm not going to get to try his powder unless he also puts it in the deluxes. We don't know yet. But I heard good things about his powder. So, and he put translucent, which is good. So it's going to work for everyone. It's not like he just put a medium color or something that'll only work for a certain amount of people. So that's great. It would have been honestly BS if he didn't do that. And then we have a lip scrub. I don't know the color and I haven't gotten confirmation yet. If I get those confirmations when I'm editing, I'll add them in. A skin frost and a gloss. So super exciting. The gloss looks like a fairly wearable shade. I think the skin frost, it may be, I think it's called like ice cold or something, because that's the one that's in the other Supreme one. So I don't know if there's a variation for the skin frost. Maybe he did do a really light one and then more of a darker one, which would be nice. And then I really can't tell what kind of lip scrub this is. It's just hard to tell from the picture. But so that is another variation of the Supreme box. So what do you guys think of these new variations? I am really excited, and I'm glad that they are so versatile. I feel like a lot of times the boxes don't have nearly this many variations, so I'm really excited, and I feel like I really don't know what I'm gonna get. I do really hope for the Thirsty palette. That's like the #1 thing that I really would like, and I still want to know what the exclusive item is going to be in the deluxe. Is it going to be a makeup item or another merch item? I don't care either way, but it's just really exciting and I just need to know. So if any of you guys get your deluxe box or see spoilers, please DM them to me on Instagram, because I will do a video once we figure out what those are. So please let me know. Leave any comments down below that you would like. Let me know if you've gotten your box, if you like these, how interested you are in the mystery boxes, if you like the variations that he's doing. Let a girl know. As always, if you made it to this point in the video, you have to give it a like, or else you get bad luck for 6 years. I don't make the rules, I just enforce them, baby. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell so you don't miss all my other videos and my giveaway, as I mentioned. Comment down below what my gray hair should be named, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.